Welcome to the Ruffled Daisy. Today I'm going to show you how to transform a tea towel into an absolutely adorable Christmas pillow. So I found this tea towel at Dollar General. It's perfect, you guys. I am adding a little bit of embellishments to it, but you seriously don't have to. There are some absolutely adorably amazing tea towels out there that you can just create with right away. I am adding this red pom-pom above the little black fringe that it had. And when we put this together, I am actually not putting the seams together. You're gonna see what I talk about here. Where the fringe was on this towel was actually the bottom of the towel. You can see that here, but we made it more towards the middle of the pillow when it was done. You can see here that our seam is actually going to be on the front, but it's going to be covered up with the fringe and the pom-poms. I am gluing all of this together because this is just going to be a little decorative pillow. No one is actually going to be using it. If you want it to be a little bit more sturdy, you can sew it. Again, I'm using hot glue. I'm using high temp glue, so it was really going to secure it really well. I'm not worried about it coming apart at all. So for the edges, I really wanted to dress them up a little bit more, and I had this loopy ribbon that was perfect. So I'm putting it down the edges and then I'm sealing that edge together. You're gonna see me do this on the other side, and I'm only gonna go about halfway up on the other side. That way I leave room to actually put the stuffing in. If you want to buy polyfill, you definitely can, or you can take an old pillow and just pull this stuffing out of that. Make this a cheap DIY, my friends. This is something that, like I said, you can find adorable tea towels lots of places, and this can be a very budget-friendly DIY that packs a lot of punch. Now that my stuffing is all in, I am going to seal the edges, and I did add a little black bow that you're going to see in the completed picture just above the Have Your Little Merry Christmas patch. This turned out absolutely adorable. I am obsessed with it, and I am ready to go look for so many more cute tea towels that I can create with. I hope you love this DIY and it encouraged you to create something on your own.